A model estimates that at the end of each year, from 2015 to 2020, the number of squirrels in the population was 150% more than the number of squirrels in the population at the end of the previous year. The model estimated at the end of 2016, there were 180 squirrels in the populations. Which of the following equations represent the model where n is estimated the number of squirrels in the population t years at the end of 2015 and t is less than or equal to 5. So let me first state that the very beginning part of this sentence, end of 2015, mark t equals 0, and end of 2016, mark t equals 1. And then, if you look at the next one, 150% more than the number of squirrels in the population at the end of the previous year. Now that phrase just tells you that this is exponential function. Now one thing you need to be aware and be cautious is that 150% more is not 1.5 as the base of our exponential function. Okay, so that's not the correct base. When someone say 150% more, that means your base of your exponential function has to be 2.5. And they came from really, you have original itself, and 150% more tells you that you're adding 1.5 to it, and they add up to 2.5. So you can rewrite this y equals ab to the power of x. Again, this is exponential function. You're gonna plug it in the 2.5 where b is. And they give you that when t equals 1, so yes, let's just say instead of x, let's just say t here. When t equals 1, okay, it's kind of messy, so let me rewrite it. When t equals 1, it's just 2.5, and the population is 180. Because at the end of 2016, again, mark t equals 1, and the population was 180 in 2016. So I just need to divide 2.5 on both. Then a is equal to 72. Now we know we can plug it in where a is. Again, the question asks for the model. The model meaning equation in our choices. And I know our characters are broken, so I'll clarify which one is which. So y is equal to 72, 2.5 to the power of t, and according to College Board, they call it b. Now choice A is 72, 1.5 to the power of t, and that's not correct. That's the typical trap where 150% more people tend to think 1.5, and that's not right. Now the other C and D assume that, okay, I think the purpose of the College Board was that you may not have read the question carefully, thinking that 180 is like the initial, that you can just simply plug it in, and that's not correct. Again, 180 is not A because that is the time that the year that became 180 is not the end of 2015, but instead end of 2016. So that really makes it t equals 1. So please be careful. Alright, so again, the answer is B.